Is this the most badass recycling project ever? This crafter is turning a piece of railroad into a kingdom-conquering axe. After cutting off the foot, he slices into it, creating the angular edges of an axe. Eventually, we're going to cut this thing in half, but there's plenty to do before that. Holding his grinder at an angle, the crafter carves the rail to create a curved shape and a point for what will become the blade. Next, the crafter cuts into the head, slicing a V-shape to remove a chunk of the steel. Then he does the same at the opposite side, creating a gap, but what's it for? He works over it with his saw, rounding off the straight cut. Then he does the same on the corners, making sure our axe is going to be one sexy beast. Wait till we get those edges buffed up. Using a file, we'll smooth the inside, and then we want to cut away the excess from the edge, creating a curve for the axe head. Damn, look at that curve! And our piece of railroad is already looking like a badass blade. The crafter works over the head of the rail, and then the bottom edge. His angle grinding skills are insane. He's doing all of this freehand, creating curves and edges without the help of other tools. Next, it's time to make the big cut. Because this genius crafter has worked on both sides at once, ensuring it will be perfectly symmetrical. He's welding the two pieces together using electric resistance welding. So, the clamps run an electrical current through it, melting the metal on contact. Looks like a little spaceship or something. The extra pieces help fuse the two sides together. But it means we need to remove the excess after, and then clean up the joint. Next, the crafter grinds away at the top and bottom of the axe head, ensuring a super smooth finish. Here, the two V-shaped cuts have now combined to create a hole in the center of the axe. A clever move by the crafter, because it will be essential in a minute. Because what good is an axe head without a handle? We want to sand away at the top, which as you can see, looks a lot like that hole. Then, more freehand grinding to turn this boring 2x4 into a beautifully curved handle. No idea what those tools are, but they look cool. And the moment of truth. The top of the handle fits perfectly. Obviously, we need this to be as strong as possible, so the crafter covers it in glue and hammers in an extra piece to make the fit extra tight. Then, after the final touches, our piece of railroad has become the world's most badass axe. Hey Thor, want to trade in for this one? Is this the biggest axe you've ever seen? Comment below and follow us for more.